Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make one image, one unified image from several images in the Photoshop. The process itself called flatten image. Okay, let's get started today. Okay, I'm going to share my Photoshop screen. Okay, from now on, as you can see, some images on file of my Photoshop. So I'm going to select the three layers together, just shrink all of them. Now, easy to recognize each is each. So now I have three images. Okay, one and two and three images. One, two, three. Okay, and then layer is like six, but don't worry about it. Since I want to make these layers into one unified layer, including background. So the process itself is really easy. So from here it's layer. You can find layer on the top menu, layer, and just go to the near the bottom. And now you can see flatten image. Okay, and just click this into one. Okay, then previously we had several layers and three images, but now it's only one. It means you can't move them one. Okay, just get back to the previous step. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers and 7 layers, including background, and three images in each layer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. On this occasion, I can move each image quite easily using this castle top. Okay. However, when I click layer on the top and flatten image, you will get an unified image, just one image, and you can't move because all layers are flattened. Okay, just get back. Also, can you see something like sandwich something? It looks like sandwich. Okay, layer button. And also, you can find out flattened image procedure here. Okay, and there are two ways like merge down and merge visible. It's sort of similar stuff, but when you find flattened image, it's easiest way. Just click and get unified one image. Okay, this is how to make one unified image from the several images in a Photoshop. That's quite easy. Yeah, it's your turn. Just make it go. Bye.